In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM in Notion. Setting up a customer relationship management system in Notion can seem daunting at first, but with a few simple steps, you'll have a streamlined way to keep track of your contacts and deals in no time. Let's dive right into it. First, we're going to create a contacts database. This will serve as the very heart of your CRM, where all the information about the people you interact with will reside. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. Name it Contacts to keep things clear and organized. Once your new page is ready, turn it into a database. By doing this, we ensure that you can easily manage large volumes of data. Now, within this contacts database, we need to set up some essential properties. These will help you categorize and segment your contacts effectively. Begin by adding fields such as name, email, phone number, company, and position. These are crucial as they form the basic profile for each contact. Don't hesitate to add more fields if you need to capture additional information specific to your business needs, like LinkedIn profiles or notes about previous interactions. By tailoring these properties, you make your CRM more relevant and efficient. With our contacts database in place, it's time to move on to setting up a deals database. This will be separate from the contacts and will hold specific data about the deals you're working on or hope to close. Create a new page again and name it Deals. And as before, transform it into a database. In this deals database, you'll want to set up properties that help you track the progress and details of each deal. Important fields to include are deal name, value, status, and closing date. Adding a field for notes can be beneficial to jot down important details discussed or agreed upon during conversations. This setup will allow you to have a clear snapshot of where each opportunity stands at any given moment. The next critical step is linking your contacts with your deals. This integration is what makes Notion a powerful CRM tool, as it connects all your information seamlessly. Open your deals database and create a new property. Choose the relation property type to link it with the contacts database. This establishes a direct connection between individual deals and the people involved. When adding a new deal, you can select the corresponding contacts involved, providing you with a comprehensive overview of who is associated with each deal. And there you have it. A basic yet fully functional CRM within Notion. Remember to update your databases regularly, whether it's adding new contacts, updating deal statuses, or inputting fresh notes. Keeping your CRM current maximizes its usefulness. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow, and you're now ready to leverage Notion's capabilities to better manage your client relationships. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy